The biggest AI scam, so far at least. Let's talk about it. In the race to capitalize in the AI market, some companies may be misleading and tend to promise more than they can deliver. One standout example is Builder AI, a startup that marketed as a AI app builder, but behind the scenes was just a bunch of physical people writing the code. Today, we're going to dive into what happens when branding and marketing takes over actual reality, starting with the promise that this company actually made. Builder AI claimed it could create applications for clients using artificial intelligence, dramatically speeding up development and lowering costs. Their sleek marketing helped them raise over $250 million from big companies like Microsoft, which sort of helped them get even more credibility. Customers of this application were led to believe the following. AI would understand their application ideas. Apps would be built quickly using automation. There will be minimal human involvement. However, as you can see the story going, that wasn't the case. So that was the promise that they made. Now let's talk about the truth, what actually was happening. A Wall Street Journal investigation revealed that Builder AI's core development work was done by human engineers. The AI aspect was more just cosmetic, a tool for collecting user input. After that, actual developers overseas were doing all the work. AI theater is what employees called it, showing off flashy features to impress investors, while humans did most of the heavy lifting behind the curtain. And because of this, there were some problems. Customers were receiving buggy and problematic applications, often with long delays because humans were actually writing the code, which to me should have been one of the first signs about, hey, this isn't regular AI. I know currently if I prompt ChatGPT or Copilot, I get a response in a couple of seconds. If I'm waiting days or even weeks, as some of these customers were, then there has to be more to it. The next consequence was with the investors. The investors thought they were investing in the newest, biggest, next AI company. However, they were actually investing in a regular software as a service company with developers in the background doing most of the work. And last but not least was the reputation. As the truth came out, their reputation obviously took a huge hit. Reputation damage followed as the truth emerged through leaks, user complaints, and whistleblower accounts. Quick break. If you're enjoying the video so far, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you need help on your software testing journey, check out my website, thetestinglead.com. I have books, courses, and applications to help you on your journey. Now, back to the video. Now let's talk about why any of this actually matters. I would like to say that Builder AI is the only company doing things like this, but Amazon was in a similar situation not so long ago. If you want, I'll make a separate video about that. Just leave a comment below. But the same common trend in today's world is hyping up an AI tool to get marketing and more media coverage, and most importantly, investor funding. For investors and customers of some of these AI tools, I hope this is a wake-up call. And from there, the AI boom is here, but so is the AI fraud boom. You can't believe everything that you see or that you're being told. Builder AI promised a revolution, but they delivered just another outsourcing application, which isn't new. If you found this video helpful at all, YouTube thinks you should watch this one here next or this one down here. And most importantly, don't forget this, learn something new today.